MTI power chairs, mid-mark chairs, GTS chairs. We have them all at the Doctor's Toy Store. Just got in 12 MTI 421s. They're power up, power down, programmable. They've got swivel, they're touchscreen on the side here. They're made in the United States of America, and we're a big believer in buying American. Show them that flag. That flag up there, that's our flag. It flies 369 days a year. Okay, that's good. 369 days a year. And we always have that American flag flying right by 95 where there's 300,000 cars riding by a day. So these chairs right here, if you call in now, it's a special. They come with stools, and we'll do all the chairs. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 5 stools. You're looking at a heck of a deal, and we got free shipping. They're programmable. They've got swivel. The arms pop up and down. Let's see. The arms go up and down. Haven't used one for a while. The tables are programmable also, so you can see right here. These are the side buttons. It has a swivel. You hit the swivel, and then you have 30 seconds to turn it and lock it. The heads are adjustable. So call the Doctor's Toy Store. We also, if you want a mid-mark, we got mid-mark chairs. This is a fully operational 630 with swivel, arm boards, foot control, hand control. We have many more like this. Call the Doctor's Toy Store, 877 DRS Toys today. We buy your excess equipment.